All right, the Vigo County Highway Department is monitoring the roadways as the storm approaches. They're starting to treat the main roads as snow appears. They'll begin plowing the highways, and they'll be monitoring 6 townships. Supervisor Rusty Maurer says they'll start placing salt on the roads once the rain begins to freeze.
Stay clear, keep out of the way for us, and that makes our job a little easier to get through. Just drive slow, be patient with us, and we try to get to every road as soon as we can.
And drivers are encouraged to watch out for salt trucks on the roadways. Earlier today, Governor Eric Holcomb, along with officials,